I recently had a job interview, and because everything is done online now, one of the tools that they use is Microsoft Teams. And lo and behold, when I started Microsoft Teams and started to interview, I could not get my camera to work. I turned it on and off, nothing. But yet they have this symbol here, and that reminds me of OBS Studio. So I think something with OBS Studio and my meeting is conflicting. So I checked online. I said, how am I going to fix this? How am I going to get my camera to work again? Or is my camera broken? I got many reasons why and how to fix it. You know, the proverbial restart your computer, it will fix itself, or check to see if your camera is on. But nothing really helped me out until I actually went inside the Microsoft Teams and I hit here and I said settings, and then when I hit settings I went down here to devices, and when you go down to devices you can see here where it says OBS virtual camera. Somehow my OBS screen capture program has taken over the Teams and it became the default camera. So what you should do is if you have this same problem, you see this camera, you go here and you click this, and then you should see your HD video camera in the selection box, so you can restart it again. So if I click this here, lo and behold, again my camera starts to work and you can see your beautiful face. So all you do is have to do that setting, get out of here, and when you go back to your meeting, your camera should start working again. So if this helped you out, please like and subscribe to my channel, and hope you have fun using Microsoft Teams and your camera.